Stop scrolling for a second. Have you ever stared at one of those dreamy Italian villa gardens? Gravel paths winding past terracotta pots, citrus trees glowing in the sun, a fountain quietly trickling in the background, and thought, that's never going to be my backyard. I used to think the exact same thing. I figured that kind of beauty came with a designer price tag, a team of landscapers, and a budget most of us simply don't have. I was wrong. Dead wrong. Today, I'm handing you 7 DIY Italian garden projects that look like they cost a small fortune, but every single one is doable for under $1,000 total. And honestly, most of them individually cost way less than that. No fancy design degree required. No contractor on speed dial. No second mortgage on your house. Just smart material choices, a few free weekends, and a little elbow grease. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete, practical blueprint to turn your ordinary backyard into something that looks like it was airlifted straight out of Tuscany or the Amalfi Coast. We're talking pathways, water features, greenery, even an outdoor dining setup, all on a real, achievable budget. So if you're ready to make your neighbors do a double take every time they walk past your fence, stick around, because project number 1 is ridiculously easy, surprisingly cheap, and it's the foundation that everything else on this list is built on. Let's get into it. Project 1, the classic gravel path, Tuscany style. Here's a secret most people overlook. The single biggest thing separating a cute backyard from a genuine luxury Italian garden is the path beneath your feet, and it's also the cheapest fix on this entire list, by a wide margin. Forget poured concrete and forget those expensive imported cut tiles that can run hundreds per square foot once labor gets added in. We're going with simple pea gravel or crushed limestone, both widely available and shockingly affordable at any hardware or landscaping store near you. Start by mapping out your path. Gentle curves feel romantic and old world, while straight lines feel formal, grand, and architectural. The choice is entirely yours. Lay a weed barrier fabric underneath, so you're not fighting grass and weeds for the next decade. Pour your gravel about 2 inches deep, then frame the edges cleanly with brick, reclaimed stone, or simple wood edging to keep it contained and tidy. That's genuinely the whole project. But here's why it punches so far above its cost. Gravel instantly signals, this space was thoughtfully designed, not this just sort of happened over time. Gravel instantly signals, this space was thoughtfully designed, not this just sort of happened over time. It also quietly solves drainage issues that most backyards struggle with after heavy rain, protecting your garden beds in the process. One afternoon of effort, one trip to the store, and suddenly your entire garden gains a sense of direction and intention it never had before. This is the project that makes every other project on this list look even better. So whatever you do, don't skip it. Project 2, Potted Citrus Grove. You know what instantly screams Mediterranean paradise the moment you see it? Citrus. That bright, sun-soaked pop of orange and yellow set against deep, glossy green leaves is basically the visual signature of Italy itself. And here's the genuinely good news. You don't need an orchard, acres of land, or even direct soil access in your yard to pull this off beautifully. Grab a few large terracotta pots, which are far cheaper than most people assume, especially if you shop local nurseries instead of big box garden centers. Plant lemon, orange, or kumquat trees inside them, and within a season or 2, you'll have real, fragrant fruit. Now here's the trick the high-end magazines actually use: symmetry. Place 2 matching pots on either side of your front door, or line several up evenly along a patio edge or walkway. That mirrored, balanced setup is precisely what makes a space feel intentional and expensive instead of random and thrown together. The warm terracotta clay against those glossy green leaves genuinely does most of the visual work for you, with almost no extra effort required. And if you live somewhere with cold winters, no problem at all. Simply roll the pots indoors near a sunny window when temperatures drop, then bring them back outside once spring returns. This is one of those rare projects where the visual payoff massively outweighs both the cost and the effort involved. Plant it once and genuinely enjoy it for years to come. Project 3, DIY Renaissance-inspired fountain. Close your eyes for a second and picture a classic Italian garden in your mind. I'd bet good money you're hearing water, that constant trickle that instantly makes any space feel calm, alive, and intentional all at once. Now, a real carved stone Renaissance-style fountain? That's easily a $2,000 plus investment once you factor in materials, shipping, and installation. But here's exactly how we fake that same atmosphere for well under $100. Grab one large glazed ceramic pot. Go bold here. Think deep cobalt blue or rich emerald green, something with real visual personality. Drop in a small, inexpensive solar-powered water pump, which means absolutely no electrical wiring, no electrician, and no ongoing utility cost. Pile smooth river stones around the base to hide the tubing and give the whole setup a clean, finished look. Position it somewhere that catches a few hours of direct sunlight daily. Plug in literally nothing and walk away. 30 minutes of setup, tops. That's genuinely it. You now own a fully self-sustaining water feature that does more for your garden's atmosphere than almost anything else on this entire list. The gentle sound alone helps drown out traffic noise, neighbor chatter, and everyday distractions, replacing it all with something that feels distinctly like a 5-star Mediterranean resort. Without question, this is the cheapest wow factor you will ever buy for your backyard, and guests will assume it cost far more than it actually did. Project 4. The Cypress Green Wall Look. Picture that iconic shot of a long Italian driveway lined with tall, narrow trees standing in perfect formation, almost like silent soldiers. That unmistakable image is Italian cypress, and it remains one of the most recognizable elements in landscape design worldwide. The catch is that real, authentic Italian cypress can be genuinely expensive and somewhat finicky, depending on your specific climate and soil conditions. So here's the smart, budget-friendly workaround. Skyrocket junipers, or really any narrow, upright evergreen variety available at your local nursery. You get the exact same dramatic silhouette and the exact same sense of grandeur, but for noticeably less money, with hardier trees that adapt to a much wider range of climates and conditions. Plant a row of them evenly spaced along your driveway, fence line, or property edge, and watch what happens to the entire space. Your eye naturally gets pulled upward and outward, which makes even a relatively small backyard feel significantly bigger and more architecturally serious and intentional. As an added bonus, this green wall effectively doubles as natural privacy fencing, blocking out nosy neighbors and street views, yet it never reads as a defensive hedge. It reads as a deliberate, high-end design decision. Of every project on this list, this is consistently the one that earns the biggest "wait, how much did this actually cost you?" reaction from visiting guests. Simply because tall, uniform greenery instinctively reads as expensive, even when the real price tag absolutely is not. Project 5. Herb Garden Parterre. Italians don't really separate cooking from gardening, so let's build something that genuinely captures that spirit. We're creating what's called a parterre. Use low wooden borders, reclaimed brick, or simply stacked stones. Inside each defined section, plant classic Italian kitchen staples like rosemary, basil, oregano, thyme, and sage. Here's exactly why this looks far more expensive than it actually is. Symmetry instinctively reads as carefully designed, same exact plants, same exact dirt. Wildly different overall impression, purely because of the structured layout. The entire project will likely cost you nothing more than the price of a few seed packets and one bag of quality soil. And as a genuine bonus, you'll have fresh, fragrant herbs growing just steps from your kitchen door. Low cost, remarkably high visual and practical payoff. Project 6. Upcycled Outdoor Dining Nook. Eating outside isn't just a pleasant occasional treat in Italy. It's genuinely a core part of the lifestyle there. Al fresco dining sits at the very heart of the whole Mediterranean aesthetic. And the great news is you can recreate that exact feeling without buying a single new piece of furniture. Got an old wooden table sitting forgotten in the garage? A mismatched, slightly wobbly set of chairs nobody in the house wants anymore? Perfect. That's exactly what we need. Give them a distressed paint job in soft white, sage green, or muted olive, and suddenly they look intentionally weathered and characterful instead of simply old and tired. Add a basic umbrella for shade, or take it one meaningful step further and grow climbing ivy or grapevine over a simple wooden trellis positioned directly above the table. Give it one full growing season to fill in properly, and you'll have natural dappled shade that no store-bought umbrella could ever compete with visually. Scatter a few inexpensive terracotta candle holders across the table surface for evening ambiance, and honestly, you're already done. The end result is a dining space that genuinely feels like a hidden trattoria patio tucked away in some Italian backstreet, rather than a backyard project you threw together over a single rushed weekend. This is the project where upcycled actually outperforms expensive and store-bought in nearly every meaningful way, and your wallet will absolutely thank you for it later. Project 7. Atmospheric String Lighting. Last project on the list, and honestly, it might just be the single most powerful one here, despite being by far the simplest to execute. String up warm white, Edison-style bulb lights in a loose, relaxed zigzag pattern over your main seating area, weaving them between trees, posts, fence lines, or a trellis. It genuinely doesn't matter which. These lights are inexpensive. Most modern versions run on solar power or low-energy LED bulbs, and the entire installation process takes maybe 20 minutes from start to finish. But here's where the real magic happens. Once the sun fully sets, that warm golden glow does something almost unfair to the eye. It quietly hides every small imperfection in your garden. Slightly uneven soil, a gravel path that isn't perfectly finished yet, a young plant that hasn't fully filled in, while simultaneously making everything you did manage to finish look polished, intentional, and genuinely beautiful. Good lighting is the great equalizer in outdoor design. It remains the cheapest, fastest, most reliable way to make any backyard suddenly look like a high-end Mediterranean resort. Full stop. No exceptions. If you only have the time or budget for one single project from this entire list, sincerely make it this one, because it ties every other project together seamlessly and elevates the entire space the very moment the sun goes down.
7 projects on backyard, zero need for a Tuscan budgets, just a plan, a weekend, and later effort. Start with 1 or 2, then build for there. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which projects you are trying first. Happy gardening. See you in the next video.